Hello everyone. So today I will show you a AI project that I've been working on for past couple of days, and I would expect by the end of this video you guys will also be able to create your own AI learning project. So also I will put the GitHub repository of my project on the description. If you want, you can contribute there or check out my website. So first, just go let me just guide you through the code that worked on. So first was the import. So first I have imported the Google Generative AI library, which will help us import our API key. So first let me show you where you can get your API key here. So you can see here it will just if you just go to this website ai.google.dev slash Gemini API slash rocks the API key. Here you can see get a Gemini API key. Now if you press this button, get a Gemini API key, it will drag you to this API key section where you can create your own API key if you haven't created any projects. Then after creating the API key, it will show you a project number, then API key here. You will just go below and copy it down. Then after copying it, then you will just go to this, go to your doc, go to this video code, then create a .env file, then paste your API key in this env file. Then env file will load the API key there, and we will load. We also imported the load.env, which will load our API key here. Then we have also used the import streamlit, which is great for web interface. It will create a web interface for our website. And we have imported OS library for this operating system. Then we have API key, and OS will load get the API key from the env file. Then we will configure the API key here. Their model we will be using is the Gemini 2.0 slash experimental, which is the new model by Google Gemini. So we will be using the latest model by Google, which is exciting. Then we have page title here. It will just set the title for the left pane of the website. Let me show you the website. Let me just show the website. Look here, it's the website where we have built with the Streamlit. You can see that here. You can see the AI learning buddy website here. Then it sets the level of the AI learning buddy. Then we have set the title. Also the difficulty level here, beginner, intermediate, advanced, and set some value like set the default value intermediate as the default value here. You can see that here we have set the default difficulty level, beginner, intermediate, advanced. So you can also set the level based on your expertise. Then here it will store all the question and answer that you just did on the learn here. So whatever you learn here, all the history will be stored on this so that it will help you to revise if you want. Then after that, after it stores the session, all the history, then we get the response here from the Gemini. So it will go to Gemini and ask this question, like explain this in simple terms if you're beginner, if you're intermediate. So the default prompt has been set up and we'll go to Gemini to and ask this question. And also the title here is the interactive learning buddy here. This is the main title here. And we go to tab one. So we created three tabs here. First tab is for learning. Next tab is for quizzing. Like whatever topic you want quizzes, it will show you three. sets of questions based on your quiz, based on your level. You can just select level, then topic, and it will generate some three questions based on your expertise. You can see here, you can see the levels here, you can see learn here tabs, quiz tab, and review tab. Now let's go to code again. So you can see here it is in the header we have to learn something new on the quiz tab one. What would you like to learn about? Then we have buttons here. If you press the get answer button, it will generate the. So we have also set the key button here. It's just the uniqueness for the button functions. Then because we have three buttons here, so we have to set the key for each button we create. Then we have response, so it will trigger the response, generate some response based on our topic and level. Then on step two, we will quiz ourselves, like what topic we want to get quiz on. It will generate the quiz. And after pressing the quiz button, it will generate some three question based on our topic and our levels. Then on the tab three, we will review all the topics that we have learned on the learn tab. It will first do the for loop, like what the learning we just did, then question and all the answers. Then after that, if you click the clear history button, it will clear all the history. So still we're working on it. Like I've just worked on for 2 days work. So let's go to, so all you have to do is type in stream lead run and the name of this coding file interactive learning study dot py. Now it will take it down to our web interface. So you can see the Streamlit has built our web interface here. Now we have to test what we want to learn. So let's say I want to learn maths. Learn maths. Let's wait for it to respond. You can see it's already running and generating some responses. So let's wait for it to respond. You can see I have already set the label as intermediate. You can also set beginner or advanced based on your expertise or your needs. Now you can see that it has given me intermediate explanation. Okay, let's unpack the statement. I want to learn maths and explore that actually entail what that actually entails. It's powerful inspiration, but it's also broad. So that's explanation. Now, if we want to learn maths basic, we can go to beginner and say, I want to learn. What do we want to learn? Let's say addition. That's the basic level we can get to. Let's wait for it to respond. You can see it's generated response and it already did. So you can see that the response it will provide is based on the question. Like if your question is simple, it won't take much time to respond. Now let's see. So you can see it has explained my addition in simple terms. You can also select advanced. It's up to you to try that out. Then you can also quiz yourself. Like I have exam tomorrow, so I can say I want to quiz on, let's say, machine learning. Now it will generate some quizzes, like three quizzes based on our needs. Also, you have to, so let me clear one thing. Like in this free Gemini 2.0, on you can only try out like some prompts, but there are quota limits. So make sure that you have quota limits on your Gemini API. Then you can see it already given me some of the question on machine learning, like what is the main idea behind machine learning, and also explanation for beginners. If you're a beginner, it's explained you the question clearly, so you can see that it's going really great. Now let's review our topic. You can see that our topic one was on maths. It's already stored the maths question answers. You can see that it has also suggested the YouTube channels. Then you can topic two. It will we learn the addition. You can see that they have shown us what the addition is and basics behind it. Addition is like a puzzle. You are putting the piece together to find the whole picture. With practice, it will become easier and easier. You have got this. Keep adding. So that's the our web interface AI learning buddy. Now let me show you the GitHub repository. So you can see this API quickly. Then you can see this the GitHub repository. Now if you select this website, it will drag you to my website. You can see I've already deployed with Streamlit, which is great for free if you want to deploy it for free, but you have to first so put those codes in the repository, then only you can deploy it in the Streamlit. It's also free. So here is it's white. It's because the Streamlit has set the color as white here, not the dark one. You can set them out if you want through CSS styling or anything. You can also set the levels. Now I will let you try my app. Also build your own app. I hope in the end of this video, I will be able to see your app that you have created with the Gemini 2.0. I also share them out in the comment section. I would love to check them out. So thank you all for sticking out till the end, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much.